Good evening and a warm welcome to all the distinguished resource person, respectful faculty members, and dear participants. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this online faculty development program on harnessing artificial intelligence for the future of wireless communication and signal processing, scheduled from 8th December 2025 to 13th December 2025, conducted by AICTE Training and Learning Atal Academy. This program is organized by Karpagam Academy of Higher Education. The program is coordinated by the Faculty of Engineering, Department of ECE with the valuable support from AICTE DST Atal. This FDP aims to provide a comprehensive platform for exploring cutting edges advancement in artificial intelligence and its transformative role in wireless communication and signal processing. We believe that this program will enrich your knowledge, encourage meaningful discussion, and collaborative learning. We sincerely hope that this program will be rewarded and enrich experience for all the participants. Once again, I welcome you all for this wonderful session. Now I request our beloved ma'am, HOD of EC Department, Dr. S. Malati ma'am, to deliver the welcome address.
Thank you, Nivita.
Thank you, ma'am.
A very pleasant and good evening to one and all gathered here. It's indeed a matter of great honor and privilege for me to extend a warm, heartfelt welcome to this faculty development program. On behalf of our institution, I am delighted to welcome our esteemed Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Dean, and other management representatives who have joined this session. It's with immense pleasure and profound respect I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our distinguished resource persons, respected faculty members, and all the participants who have joined here today with a great enthusiasm and a shared commitment to professional growth. To all the participants, we encourage you to engage actively throughout the sessions, ask questions, initiate the discussions, share your experiences, and collaborate with your peers. Such interactions, we strongly believe that it not only create a vibrant learning environment, but also foster professional networks and it benefits long after the program concludes. Once again, I extend a warm and cordial welcome to each one of you. May this faculty program be fruitful, enriching, and memorable experience for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your aspirating words. Kindly get ready for the next session. Thank you.
I request all the participants to hold their patience while our chief guest is joining soon.
Good evening to one and all. Good evening to all the participants.
Good evening, ma'am.
Dear participants, kindly wait. We can start the session by 6:15 p.m. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you. Good evening to one and all. Now, I would like to introduce our resource person for the session 1, Next Generation Communication Technologies. Mr. Madhavan TR. He is Deputy General Manager, Mobile Core Network Operation, BSNL Tamil Nadu. He has completed his MSc in Electronics and Communication in the year 1992 from National College, Trichy. He has completed his MBA in Systems in the year 2005 in Alhappa University, Karaikudi. His experience includes he has worked as a junior telecom officer from March 1996 to December 2001 in New Tech Installation BSNL Tamil Nadu Circle. Then he worked as a subdivisional engineer from January 2022 to June 2026 in the same BSNL Tamil Nadu Circle. From July 2006 to October 2009, he worked as a subdivisional engineer in Gateway Mobile Switching Center, BSNL Tamil Nadu Circle. He worked as a subdivisional engineer from November 2009 to January 2020 in 3G Mobile Switching Center, BSNL Tamil Nadu Circle. He worked as an assistant general manager from February 2020 in 4G Mobile Switching Center, Tamil Nadu Circle. And he has promoted as a deputy general manager from Jan 2024 to till now. He worked in the same circle, mobile core networks in BSNL Tamil Nadu. He has a thorough knowledge on mobile networking system and the communication protocol. He has a skill in operation and maintenance of cloud-based telecom network functions. He has an excellent planning and designing and maintenance of IP networking for telecom networks. He has handled many implant training sessions on mobile communication for various institutions. He has delivered more than n number of guest lectures, and he has delivered a speech on various topics related to mobile communication technologies in various engineering colleges. Once again, I welcome you, sir. Thank you for accepting our invitation and your lecture. Thank you, sir. Once again, I welcome you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Sir, can you kindly share your presentation, sir?
Yes, yes. Is it visible, madam?
No, sir.
Sir, the presentation is visible.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Sir, please try changing the slides. So we'll check whether the slide is changing. Okay, yes, sir. The content slide is visible now.
Visible, no?
Yes, sir.
So, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, good evening, one and all.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. So, first of all, thanks for the opportunity. So, really, it is very happy to be part of this faculty development program. And whenever I have been invited for this kind of faculty development program, so I used to accept without any hesitation. Why? Because there are two reasons. Point number one is that, so in case of faculty development programs, so the audience will be faculties, that is intellectual audience. So it will be very easier to explain the high level topics whatever related to mobile communication. That is point number one. And then number two is that it's a great opportunity, because whenever I go for any guest lecture to a college, maybe for that particular department, ECE or computer science, so that in that batch there may be 100 students, that's all. So during that session, I'll be able to share my knowledge only to that of that 100 students only. On the other hand, so a session like this, so many faculties are participating, so the count already crossed 100. So whatever I have learned out of my 29 years of experience in the field of mobile communication, so I'm happy that through you, so it will reach definitely hundreds of students. So in that aspect, really, I'm very happy. I'm really privileged to be part of this program. So with these few words, because the time is too short, so we have to complete by 8. So only 1.5 hour time is given. So without wasting the time, let me straight away, that is let's get into the business straight away. So I have a PowerPoint presentation for you. So next, of course, the topic is next generation communication technologies. So being a telecom engineer, that too 29, over 25 years of my career is around this mobile network maintenance. So I would like to share more about mobile technologies, right from 2G up to the present 5G, and something about the upcoming 6G also. So if time permits, let me talk about other topics. So as far as this session is concerned, so these are the contents. So let me try to introduce the mobile radio, various mobile radio access technologies first, because it won't be appropriate to start straight away from 6G, then about IMS, Li-Fi, quantum communication, like that. So let me first introduce the radio access, various radio access technologies which are being used, and then let me talk about the key technical features of 4G and 5G, because these are the two major technologies currently providing service to millions of mobile communication users. Almost 2G is going to find its end, 2G, 3G both. And here afterwards, it will be only 4G, 5G, and 6G also will join shortly. Shortly means maybe within 1 year or so. So a lot of research works are going on to go for commercial launching of 6G networks. And then the other high-level technologies like SON, self-optimizing network, IMS IP multimedia subsystem. So you might be aware of these voice over LTE, voice over Wi-Fi, all these I can tell you, provided if time permits. So my main concentration is that first let me complete up to 5G. Then after that, I must talk about this wonderful topic, cloud native network function. That is a telco cloud. So let me talk about telco cloud. So these all telecom network infrastructures are slowly moving towards the cloud environment. So all our telecom network infrastructures will be deployed over the cloud, no more conventional systems. So this is a very big change which is taking place in the telecom industry. So this the telecom network itself is going to have a different dimension once these telco cloud deployment is completed. Of course, in BSNL, we have deployed our 4G network through this telco cloud only. And we are going to deploy 5G also through that. And then I must talk about the indigenous 4G and 5G technologies that is introduced in BSNL. So you might be aware that all these mobile communication technologies, especially all telecom technologies, all are imported only. And that too, especially in case of mobile communication technologies, no doubt. So we are depending on other countries only. But for the first time, we have developed our own 4G stack, which is compatible for 5G as well. Slowly, that all 4G base stations of BSNL will be migrated, that is upgraded to 5G as well. So it's a great thing that only few countries in the world are having this 4G, 5G technology, and our India has also joined in that group. So we must certainly talk about these indigenous 4G and 5G technologies. And then about these, as I already told you, something about these upcoming 6G also. So this is the typical 2G GSM network. Okay. So you all are mostly from ECE department. I think so. I hear that faculties from other department are also participating. But those who are from ECE, these topics will be somewhat easier to understand, because as you are already familiar with these terms. But others also, let me try my best to explain. Okay. So as far as the mobile network is concerned, so the problematic area is the wireless section between the subscriber and the network. So all other portions of the network are connected mostly through wireless connectivity, mostly through optical fibers. So there won't be much trouble in expanding the bandwidth of the optical fibers. So if you lay some more optical fibers, or if you go for some more optical fiber, that upgraded optical fiber technology, then we can increase the bandwidth like anything. On the other hand, the wireless section, we are using radio frequencies, the spectrum. So the spectrum is limited and very, very costlier. Just like that, we cannot expand our spectral bandwidth. So that is where these technology developers trying to develop new technologies so that the spectral efficiency can be improved. And that is why these, in case of mobile communication, the technology is getting upgraded in the form of different generations. So of course, it started with 1G. So it was a very crude mobile communication technology, analog communication technology. So that's why I'm starting straight away from 2G. 2G is a completely digitized mobile communication technology. Okay. So in India also, we started straight away with 2G only. So let me introduce something about this 2G GSM technology, then we will move on to 3G. So as I told you, what is the problem with the mobile network? So this is the wireless section where we are using spectrum, mobile spectrum. What are the issues with the mobile spectrum? Two issues. One is it is a very scarce resource, and another one is it is a very, very costlier resource. So very scarce, why? Only limited spectral bandwidth can be used for mobile communication. Just like that, we cannot use any RF spectrum for mobile communication.